Do you want to learn English fast? Do you want to speak English fluently? Then join me in today's episode of Daily English. Hi, my name is Valen. This is Cosmic Academy, and I'm here to help you learn English fast. In today's lesson, you will learn how to use greetings, the present tense, and city names. As you watch the show, listen carefully and try to understand. Then, watch the grammar lesson with Gabrielle. After you finish the lesson, click the link in the description below for more free practice and quizzes of today's lesson. Alright then, I'll see you on the other side.
Here we are. Here we are. Tea for two.
Thank you.
Milk and sugar.
Yes, please.
Have a biscuit. They're homemade.
No, thank you.
Now you must tell me about yourself. Your family. Mom, Dad,
I have 4 brothers.
and 3 sisters.
Well, I'm a student and I go to a language school.
To study English.
Yes, my English is not very good.
No. It's quite good. Where is the school?
It's near here on Exeter Avenue.
That's very close.
Good.
Just 10 minutes.
Oh, that's easy.
Perhaps Victor could take you by car.
Victor? Who's Victor?
My brother.
Your brother.
That is a photo of Victor.
Oh, he's a big boy.
Well, he's 25.
Oh,
And that is my boyfriend, Harold.
your boyfriend
He works in a bank.
in a bank.
That's my brother, Alan.
Oh, your brother?
He lives in Sydney.
In Australia?
Yes, he loves it.
Oh, I want to see Australia.
Me too. Perhaps one day.
And who's that photo?
Oh, that's just my sister, Betty.
Oh, your sister.
She lives near here. I see her every day.
Every day
Yes, we go shopping together.
you go shopping.
She's a very difficult person.
But she's your sister.
Yes. She's a very difficult sister. And this is a photo of my mother and my father.
Your mother and your father, your parents.
Yes.
Oh.
My parents on their anniversary day.
Sorry, I don't understand.
On the day that they got married.
Oh, yes, their anniversary day.
Yes. And here is the rest of my family.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, that's Victor.
Oh.
He is punctual like always. He arrives at home at 5 o'clock every day.
Every day? He lives here?
Yes, he lives with me.
Oh, he lives here.
Yes, with my cat, Felix,
Oh, your cat Felix.
and my canary, Tweety.
Your canary Tweety.
Hello, Victor. Come in and meet Elena.
Hello there, and welcome back to your English lesson. Did you enjoy the sitcom today? I like learning about people's families. Do you? Elena certainly has a big family, doesn't she? What about you? Do you have a big or a small family? I have a small family, like Agatha. Me, my husband Dylan, he comes from sunny California, and he's a radio DJ. And Lady Coco, my fluffy cat. But anyway, to the lesson. Today we are going to talk about the conjugation of some regular verbs in the present simple and some city names in English. Well, before we start, let's have a look at ways of greeting people with the help of our screen. Greeting people is very important in any language. When we greet people in English, we can say hello to everyone or hi to family and friends, as hi is less formal. We can also say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of day. When people are leaving, we say, see you soon, goodbye, bye, or good night if it is nighttime. When you leave someone, you can also say, have a nice day. There are many ways of greeting people in English, aren't there? Now, are you ready for some grammar? So, the conjugation of regular verbs in the present tense. With the verb to come, we have I come, you come, he comes, she comes, it comes, we come, you come, and they come. We always use the word come apart from the third person singular, where we use comes. This is the same in all regular verbs. You just add an S to the verb with he, she, or it. Easy, right? We can say, I come from London. He comes from Boston. We come from San Francisco. They come from Glasgow. Okay, let's look at another verb, to live. We can say, I live in Madrid. You live in Moscow. And he lives in Chicago. Remember what we do with the third person singular? We add an S at the end, lives. Agatha's brother lives in Sydney, remember? Finally, let's look at the verb to work. I work, you work, he works, she works, it works, we work, you work, they work. Do you remember where Agatha's boyfriend works? He works in a bank. Dylan, my husband, works in a radio station. They work in a restaurant. Now, restaurant is a French word. We often use French words in English. Mary works in a boutique. Jack works in a hotel. Okay, so now let's look at some other city names in English. Do you know any? Well, we have New York, fabulous for its shopping, Tokyo in Japan, Paris in France, oh, very romantic, St. Petersburg in Russia, brr, it's very cold there, Florence in Italy, such a beautiful city, Barcelona in Spain, and Berlin in Germany. Have you been to any of these cities? I want to visit them all. Well, I think that's enough work for one day. Well done for working so hard. I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to practice those regular verbs. See you soon and have a nice day. Bye!
So how was today's lesson? Which part was the hardest? Was it the grammar? Was it the vocabulary? Tell me in the comments below. Now, just to recap the grammar, these are the greetings in English. This is the present tense in English. And these are city names in English. If you want to improve your English fast, you have to practice it. So I'm giving you free exercises and quizzes to help you build your English skills. Just click the link in the description below to access my exercises. Because when it comes to English, use it, don't lose it. Also, are you looking for friends to practice English with? Join our Facebook group to practice English with real people like you from around the world. Click the link in the description below to join. Practice new English every day and you will improve fast. So thanks for watching today's lesson. If you learned something, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to watch the next lesson.